Hello engineers, there's a recruitment update by ISRO URSC. You can see this, they have released the post for Junior Research Fellowship and the Research Associate in the different departments. So one by one, let's check it out. So you can see this, a complete detail is there. First one is JRF1, post name is JRF1, ME Tech MSc or equivalent postgraduate in microelectronics or equivalent. This is the minimum essential qualification. The area of work will be ECAD software for layout designing of microcircuits, hybrid microcircuits and multi-chip modules. Then advanced microelectronics packaging technologies for high speed, high power, high density and high reliability applications, thick and thin film processes for realization of high density intercommunication substrates. The mode of selection is purely interview. So like that, different posts are released. JRF2 is for ME Tech MSc or equivalent post for computer science and information technology. The details are mentioned here. I would just like to give you an idea about this. JRF3, one post is released for ME Tech in computer science and information technology. Then JRF4 is again for power electronics or equivalent. JRF5 is MSc chemistry. Then JRF6 is MSc physics. Then JRF7 is ME Tech or equivalent post graduate degree in thermal engineering, thermal science and engineering, thermal science and engineering, energy systems, heat transfer in energy systems or equivalent. Then JRF 8 is for ME Tech equivalent postgraduate degree in mechanical engineering or aerospace engineering. Then JRF 9 is for ME Tech MSc engineering or equivalent postgraduate degree in digital electronics, microelectronics, signal processing, VLSI, embedded system, VLSI and embedded systems or equivalent. JRF 10 is for ME Tech degree or equivalent degree in mechanical engineering or machine design or equivalent. JRF 11 is for structural engineering, aerospace, aeronautical, mechanical, equivalent degree, and all these are ME Tech degree. So junior research fellowship can be joined after completing your masters. Like that, you can get the detail of all these JRFs. So JRF 12 is for ME Tech or equivalent postgraduate degree in microwave, RF radar, communication systems or equivalent. JRF 13 is for ME Tech MSc or equivalent postgraduate degree in engineering physics, applied optics or equivalent, integrated MTech in optical engineering. Then JRF 14 is for ME Tech MSc or equivalent postgraduate degree in applied physics, material science, material engineering, optoelectronics or equivalent. JRF 15 is for ME Tech MSc engineering or equivalent postgraduate degree in optical engineering, applied optics, optoelectronics or equivalent, integrated MTech in optical engineering. JRF 16 is for ME Tech degree in electronics or communication. JRF 17 is ME Tech degree in digital electronics, microelectronics, signal processing, mechatronics or equivalent. JRF 18 is ME Tech in digital electronics, VLSI, embedded system, VLSI and embedded systems or equivalent. JRF 19 is for ME Tech electronics and communication, avionics and instrumentation. Then JRF 20 is for MTech or equivalent postgraduate degree in aerospace. So these are the different JRF posts. Let's see. Now the next one is the research associate post, RA1. For this research associate post, the minimum essential qualification is PhD or equivalent in microwave RF radar with specialization in solid state power amplifier. This is for the post of RA1, right? Then and a minimum of 3 years research experience in SSPA design and development with at least one research paper in science citation indexed journal is required. SCI journal is required. The second research associate post is for PhD in physics, chemistry, material science, and along with that ME Tech in material science or with minimum of 3 years of research experience in the area of carbon nanotube based coatings, spray deposition, optical thin film deposition with at least one research paper in SCI journal. Now let's talk about the remuneration. I think it is mentioned here. So basic essential qualification is there. If you are applying for JRF post, then minimum of ME Tech degree is required, and if you are applying for this research associate post, minimum of PhD and 2 to 3 years of minimum experience is required in research. So you can see this. If you are applying for JRF post, then the maximum age is 28 years as of 24/2025. And for RA post, the maximum age is 35 years as on 24/2025. The fellowships offered is, first of all, for JRF, minimum of 2 years of fellowship is offered, and the amount is 37,000 per month, which can be increased up to 42,000 per month. This is for junior research fellowship. And for research associate, this fellowship is provided for 1 year, and this fellowship is 58,000 per month, right? So this is for GRF and RA. First of all, you need to apply online by visiting the website of ISRO URSC. Then the shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview. The only selection process is the interview marks, whatever you will get. You can see this, other details are mentioned here. You can just check out the minimum qualification required. So I think 60% marks is required, but again you can check for different GRF and RA. There are different qualifications. I would just like to mention one more thing which is very important, which is mentioned here. You can see this. So last date for the receipt of online application is 24/2025. So before 20th of April, 20 of April, you have to do the online application, right? So this is a good opportunity for all the students who have done their MTech, especially in EC, electrical, computer science, and mechanical engineering. So basically those students can apply for these different ports. If you have liked this information, don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.